Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on the code basis, on the void and boolean. Okay, so we have a void concept and the boolean concept. So why we use void in in what case we use void, in what case we use boolean, we'll just talk about this today. So basically void in the sense it returns nothing. I mean, if you wanted to, let's say, assign any value to your field, right? So in that sense, I mean, in that case, the return value is not required. Means you are not going to return any value. Let's say if I'm assigning some value, I mean, if I'm assigning some value to one field, there is no return value is required, just I'm assigning, right? So in that case we use the void. So coming to return values, means which is a boolean. So in this case what's going to happen is we need to return a value. So I'll tell you one example for this boolean. Let's take a table called the vendor table. Okay, for that vendor table there is a field called vendor id. So there is a field called vendor id. So now, if the vendor id exists, it should return true. If the vendor id doesn't exist, it should return false. So in this case, in this kind of requirements, right, like I mean, it should return true, either true or false. If it is existed, it should return true. If it does not exist, it returns false. So in this case, we are going to use the boolean. So at that, whenever you see boolean, you must have to see the return, because boolean is to return some value, either true or false. Whether if the vendor id exists, it returns true. If vendor id doesn't exist, it returns false. So this is how void and boolean, just you can use this both according to your requirements. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.